Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek channel where we dive deep into the trading tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the best volume indicator for swing trading and how it can transform your approach to the market. Now, volume analysis is often overlooked, yet it is a crucial component and it is crucial for understanding market momentum and the underlying forces driving price movement. By focusing on this powerful tool, you will learn how to identify high probability trade setup and enhance your trading strategy. So stay with us until the end of this video as we explore the real chart example and reveal to you how to leverage this indicator for more information and profitability trading decisions. Now, what is this indicator? This indicator is called the FRV, also known as the fixed range volume profile. The best volume indicator for swing trading is called the fixed range volume profile. This tool provides a detailed view of where significant trading activities occur within a specific price range, offering insights that can be crucial for swing traders. Unlike traditional volume indicators that only show how much of an asset is traded over time, this FRV, that's the short form for the fixed range volume profile, allows you to see where the most trading activity is concentrated, giving you a clearer picture of the market dynamics. The FRVP is particularly valuable because it highlights the key levels such as the value area, the point of control, and the high and low volume nodes. These components help traders identify areas of strong support and resistance, as well as potential breakout zones. By understanding these levels, trust me, you can make more informed decisions about when to enter and exit your trade. As you can see from this screen, you can see that this is the example of the indicator where it has a point of control, which is this line. It has a value area, this area, and it has high or low volume nodes. These are the low volume nodes, these are the high volume nodes. Using the FRVP, you can gain a deeper understanding of the market sentiment and trend strength. This indicator not only confirms trend but also help identify potential reversals by showing you where significant interest lies, whether you are trading with the trend or looking to capitalize on reversals. The FRVP provides the clarity needed to navigate complex market conditions effectively. As you can see, we are using this to identify the trend of this market. As we can see, we draw the indicator by taking it from a swing low to the swing high, and we can see that yes, the market is trending to the upside. It can signify what is going on within the this market area, showing you where there are more price action taking place, showing you where there are more sellers, more traders where more traders are concentrating on in the market. Now let's see how we can use this FRVP indicator. The first step and the guideline on how to leverage on this tool is by setting up the FRVP indicator. This is how we set it up. We set it up by selecting a price range you would want to analyze, like from the low here to this high here. This is where I want to analyze. This could be a recent trend or consolidation phase. Once set, the FRVP will display the distribution of volume across different price levels within the range. Within this range I'm trading with, it has showed me the various volume across the different price level. Secondly, we analyze our value area. Now the value area is represented by the price range where 70% of trading activity took place. That is, the value area is between this first black line and the second black line where 70% of trading activities took place. This area is crucial for identifying where the market feel most comfortable trading near the edge of this value area, because it can indicate potential entry or exit points as price often reverts to this zone. Now the third way we can use this our indicator, the FRVP indicator, is by using the point of control, also known as POV. Now the point of control, the POV, is the price level with the highest traded volume and acts as a strong magnet for price action. It can serve as a reliable tool for support and resistance levels, considering using it as a referral point for setting up your stop orders or identifying potential breakouts, meaning this area can be used as a support or a resistance zone. When trading on this area, we can also use this place as an area that will tell us where we can put our stop loss or where we can put our take profit, depending on how you are trading. Now the fourth way to use this F FRVP indicator is by identifying the high and low volume nodes. The high volume nodes indicates the strong areas of support and resistance. The strong areas for support and resistance, these are the high volume nodes. As you can see the volume bars, they are showing that a lot of activities were going on in the market. That's why the volume nodes are high. While the low volume nodes suggest potential breakout zone due to the less trading activities that went on in those areas. As you can see, less trading activities went on in this area of the low volume nodes. We have to use these nodes to anticipate market reaction and plan our trade accordingly. So, alright traders, I believe we have come to the end of this video. Please engage with us in the comment section below. We want to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss out on more trading tips and strategy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.